Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to show and tell number 31. Hopefully I won't have any more interruptions as I try to film. It is 5 o'clock. I'm running a little behind on my normal schedule. Normally I try to film and upload at least my first video in a group if I'm filming more than one video on Thursdays. Generally show and tells are on Thursdays, but it's been a little crazy around here. We did our realtor open house last Tuesday. We had one looky-loo on Thursday. We're still trying to get full feedback on that. Actually, it's Friday when we had a potential buyer interested in the home. It's just one of those one thing after another kind of moments. It was the first real grocery trip I had done since I'd been back to the house. I've been buying like one meal, 2 meals at a time. I haven't really like done my normal meal prep. So yeah, I was literally in the grocery store when our listing agent texted and was like, "Hey, so I got somebody who wants to see your house." And I was like, so I haven't really finished a whole lot. I've got 3 finished items. And then I do have a couple gifts and acquisitions that I'm going to talk about there. And then I have my purchasing acquisitions that I will do in another video. The first thing I did is another ribbed cowl for Amber's Mal over at Crochet. If you guys have not checked her out, please go check out her channel. She is a hoot and a half. But yeah, so I've got a very short little neck there. So I figured this will be great for kids. This is using the Red Heart collage. A couple of weeks ago in a show and tell, I actually shared the hat that matches this. And I still have 2 more skeins. These smaller hats and cowls are they're all, like the sets are 1 skein project so far. This one I did on the bind off. Right there for that much of it. Had to add in another ball of yarn. It happens. It's not quite playing yarn chicken when you still have 2 whole balls, but still. I played yarn chicken and I lost on that one. It is 5 o'clock, so I'm going to be doing the hazy in and out focus thing. I don't know why this doesn't like moderate light. I don't know. It's weird. I did finish my hat using my leftovers of the Carrie cupcakes that I did the hats for Amber out of while I was up in the apartment in Charlotte. And it's a massive, ginormous pom-pom that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby for 50 cents. So this hat will actually be my hat. And that pom-pom is huge. It is so huge. But I love it. And I'm not a super pom-pom person, but for some reason I'm enjoying the massive, extra fluffy faux fur pom-poms. I don't know. And then I do have a long-term whip that's finally done. So this is a shawl that I started back on Valentine's Day. It uses 2 skeins of Scarfy. It is knitted. It's small enough I can wear it as a scarf in the wintertime and still have, the whole pattern showing. But it's also more than large enough for me to wrap around my shoulders when I just need something to knock off a little bit of a chill. And it's in my college football team colors. Go Gamecocks. But yeah, the pattern for where the hat and the shawl will be in the description box below. The cowl really is not a pattern. It's just think about kids' neck sizes, make that many stitches, and go as tall as you want that to be. I'm aiming for it sitting right under the collar line, but still can be pulled up over the mouth for these for Amber. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't have a whole lot of kids that I can try things on, but I figure that's a pretty good, I mean, and like I said, I've got a very petite neck size. At least lengthwise. I got a pretty fat neck. Whole nother story. Refocus. Yeah, my makeup is like 90% smooged. My bun is falling halfway down my head. It's been a long day. It's been a long day for not much to have happened. So next we're on to gifts and a carousel swap. First off, one of my friends and subscriber to many of our channels, Miss Sandra, she only had one hat that she knew she was going to get done for Amber's Mouse, so she sent it to me to add in my box. So there's that. And along with that, she sent me 3 balls of Red Heart crochet. Now I have not, it's the 2 full ones, and then she had a little half one left over. She did a doily project out of it, but she ordered from Michael's, so you have to buy 3 at a time. None of my stores carry this one locally, and I did not want to order it from the Red Heart website. So you can see the really pretty colors in there. So I hadn't gotten any yet. This one is Spice Market. It's a size 1 yarn, 92% cotton, 5% polyester, and 1% other. And it's really pretty. I was thinking originally of doing a scarf, but now that I'm looking at it, the way it's spun, see if I can get my camera to focus on that. I actually think this would be fun to do crocheted as like a collar to go on, over a cardigan neckline. So I'm trying to think. You know, a lot of my stores are not carrying the newer launches for Lion Brand or Red Heart in store. I'm getting a lot of the up-to-date premieres and not Bernat, but like the Paytons and things like that. But it's just so weird. I'm not getting a lot of the things that I'm seeing either on the manufacturer's websites or the things that I'm seeing other YouTubers finding in their stores. So I was really glad when she said she was done and she wasn't going to do anything else with these, because it gives me an opportunity to play with them and see. Once again, I'm trying really hard to love cotton. I will probably never love dishcloth cotton, but I am warming up to cotton overall. I still have my super fancy cotton over here in this bin from my birthday last year, and I'm really wanting to play with it now. The other thing I did is I participated in another carousel, and Angela had the box before me. I will link her channel down below here, but I'm not sure who put what in, except for, well, 2 of the things I took, I knew who put them in. But this is a Hobie cookie, and I have been eyeballing these hardcore, and these colors are just stunning. I mean, I'm just saying. I'm really happy with these colors. So, I had to grab that. I'm going to set these to the side because they're special. So, this is one of her, Angela's hand-dyeds. And I was a greedy Gus and just had to take that. So my most common colors to wear are blue, purple, and pink. I gravitate towards those colors because those are the colors I generally wear. But I'm obsessed with neon. And I'm obsessed with color in general. Got some weird sounds coming from downstairs. Sorry about that. I'm not sure what was going on down there, but... So anyway, I was talking about color. So while I gravitate towards a certain color set for myself, I adore color. And in my next video, you'll actually see what I mean. Like, there's just not a color I hate. Anyway, so I saw that and was immediately like, I'ma need that. I'ma need that. So I pulled that out of the box. And then there was a lavender hand cream. So, of course, I took that out of the box. Because can you ever have enough hand cream? I don't think so. Also, I crochet a lot in bed, right? Like, while I'm waiting to fall asleep. So, lavender hand cream right before bed. Yes, please. And then the next two are personal gifts. So one of the things that my friends and I did with this swap, it's actually Karen over at KB Fibers is the one hosting this one. We all just agreed to make it an ornament swap. They don't have to be handmade ornaments, but come on. Angela made me a little Pippin ornament. How cute. And then you can see my little stitch markers down there. Oh, so my camera focuses on the stitch markers perfectly fine, but I'm struggling with everything else. Go figure. But yes, then I have a little Pippin ornament. He's so cute. I'm going to have to make myself a croissant ornament to go with it. And then the other thing, because Angela knows how much I'm enjoying socks and how much I like making socks. So she actually included this in there as a special gift just for me. And this is some more of her hand-dyed. And they're little mini skeins for the cuffs or the heels and the toes. So I am very, very excited. So thank you so much, Angela. I felt like such a greedy Gus taking both of the hand-dyeds out of there, but the person who gets it after me, I included some very special things that I know she's going to adore. So I don't feel too bad. But yeah, that's... Now, for some reason, my bag is in focus here. My yarny thing is in focus here. The face in the middle of the screen is not. Maybe I have to just sit here and finish my video like this. But yeah, that's really about all I have. It's been a fairly slow week, so, or week and a half. I did start a larger project Saturday. Yeah, I'm on piece 3, so yeah, it's Monday. It's a poncho that's patchwork done in the Lion brand jeans. Yeah, other than packing and cleaning, that's all I've really had time for. I mean, it's been intense. It's been very intense the last couple days. And not that I've been doing massive work, but, you know, it's the hurry up and wait game, or it's, you know, driving with the cats, trying to get them out of the house for an hour or two when somebody wants to look at your house. This week is, I don't know what that was. I think one of my friends, the windy lady, is trying to harass me while I talk to you guys. Yes, you are a little distracting. What? So I am going to try to get some amigurumi done. I have a couple of ornaments that I'm wanting to make just for the sake of me and wanting to make things. I am nowhere near caught up on the unraveled mitten cowl. I don't think I've touched it since block 9, maybe. I still have the Vantage Choice that I bought. I'm going to do the Jelly Bean Ripple Blanket with that. I've got that set aside. I've got a lot. I've been doing a lot of smaller projects, and I'm not quite sure why I've been so focused on these. I don't know. I'm not sure why I've been so focused on so many smaller projects. I haven't been running with any of my bigger projects. I haven't done anything on the Jada and Stitches 2019 blanket since the sun. I'm up through June on the 2017 blanket, which isn't that bad. I mean, it's just still July right now. We're in the middle of July. So, I do have 2 pairs of socks that are almost done. One needs 2 toes and 2 heels and a toe. And the other one needs like half an inch before I turn the heel and work up the cuff, which once again, I only like my cuffs to be a couple of inches, so that's not a big deal. So I have a lot of things that are slowly getting close to being finished that I've been working on, but I haven't been working on things that take sitting down and thinking. And I've been trying to crank out my little projects. I don't know. So I'm going to try to do some amigurumi this week and get that knocked out for Ella's cowl and to get some of my ornaments done. I have not figured out what my ornaments to give to family and friends this year are going to be. Yeah, other than that, I did have a question for you guys. So I've mentioned in the past, excuse me, with some of my friends and family have asked, when I originally started my blog, it was about crafting and housekeeping, and particularly when it comes to like meal prep or setting a cleaning schedule that works for your work schedule or your daily schedule. Are you guys interested in that at all? I don't really have a lifestyle channel. It's really more reviews and finished objects and just kind of sitting here talking to you guys about life and crafting. But I have had a couple people ask me about that. So if any of you guys are interested, let me know in the comments down below. I'd be more than happy to share my tips and tricks on some of the parts of the channel that make me the homemaker. That's up to you guys. In the written format, it was a lot easier to discuss those things and not feel like, oh, well, I just know everything. But if you guys are interested, I really wouldn't mind sharing some of that information. But once again, that's one of those, if you're interested, let me know. If you're not, let me know. I just thought I'd throw that out there. Otherwise, I hope you guys have an amazing week. I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. And I am off to film my next video. I will see you guys real soon. Take care. Love you guys. Bye.